Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Which is the first multi-purpose river valley project of independent India? Answer is Damodar Valley Corporation. Who was the first deputy chairman of Planning Commission of India? Answer is Shri V.T. Krishnamachari. What is amnesia? Answer is related to loss of memory. Recently, reserves of diamond have been reported in Madhya Pradesh from which place? Answer is Devbhog. By which name was Chanakya known in his childhood? Answer is Vishnugupta. The ninth schedule was added by which amendment? Answer is first. The filament of an electric bulb is made of which metal? Answer is tungsten. Who is associated with Tashkent Agreement? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Answer is uranium. In India, where did the Dutch establish their earliest factory? Answer is Masulipatnam. Which two countries follow China and India in the decreasing order of their populations? Answer is USA and Indonesia. What is the normal cholesterol level in human blood? Answer is 180 to 200. The first woman film star nominated to the Rajya Sabha is answer is Nargis Dutt. Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh is famous for which metal? Answer is gold. Which was the first fort constructed by the British in India? Answer is Fort St. George. On which conservation law does a rocker work? Answer is angular momentum. To which duties is a system of value added taxation applicable? Answer is excise duties. Ogaden region has been a source of conflict between which countries? Answer is Ethiopia and Somalia. Total internal reflection of light is possible when light enters from which thing? Answer is water to air. The book Worshipping False Gods written by which person? Answer is Arun Shourie. When was the rolling plan designed? Answer is 1978 to 83. Which is a global biodiversity hotspot in India? Answer is Western Ghats. During which reign was Kalidasa lived? Answer is Chandragupta II. In the human body, Cowper's glands form a part of which system? Answer is reproductive system. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in which Sabha? Answer is Rajya Sabha. Which transition metal is in liquid state? Answer is mercury. Which type of forest exhibit highest biodiversity? Answer is tropical rainforest. Which Rashtrakuta ruler established a victory pillar in Rameshwaram? Answer is Krishna III. Who directed the famous TV serial Tandoori Nights? Answer is Syed Jafri. The UNESCO declared 2011 as which international year? Answer is International Year of Chemistry. In the absence of ribosome in cell, which function does not take place? Answer is protein synthesis. Where are Tapovan and Vishnughar hydroelectric projects located? Answer is Uttarakhand. Who was the last ruler of Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate? Answer is Nasiruddin Muhammad. If a bar magnet is cut lengthwise into three parts, what will be the total number of poles be? Answer is 6. The issue of the RBI maintain against printing of notes. Answer is minimum reserve system. With which river is the Omkareshwar project associated? Answer is Narmada. The ruler which was not invited to join the confederacy to fight against Vijayanagara in the battle of Talikota? Answer is Berar. Silver is obtained from the lead and zinc ores of Jawar mines in which city? Answer is Udaipur. In Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? Answer is seals. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.